Hey fam, welcome back to Tari's Lifestyle and Vlog, and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, we'll be talking about what to do if you lose your passport that has your UK visa. So you have a UK visa and vignette is usually a vignette stamped on your passport, and you lost that passport. What should you do? Okay, and I know it's a very frustrating position to be in, but it does happen. Okay, but before I go on, my name is Tari, and on this channel we'll talk about UK visas and immigration. We talk about life in the UK, how to travel safely and successfully, and how to navigate through life as an immigrant living in the UK. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then please subscribe, turn on your bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my videos going forward. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much. Okay, so like I said before, what do you do if you've lost your passport that actually has your visa? So you've applied for a UK visa, and by all means your visa was granted, you're happy, and then all of a sudden you lose your passport. Maybe you have plans to travel, maybe you're traveling the next week or next month, in the next couple of months, or maybe you're not planning to travel anytime soon, but then you lose your passport. What should you do? Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to make sure you report it to the police. Okay, so report it to the police as a crime and get a crime reference number. So that's really important. Okay, first thing to do, report it to the police, get a reference number, and then the next thing you want to do is to contact the UK Home Office to let them know that your visa and your passport has been lost. Okay, you've lost your passport that has your visa on it. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have photocopies or any documents you have of the whole passport, maybe uploaded documents, maybe copies of your passport, reference number of your application, your name, your address, and things like that. Make sure you have all those information. Contact the UK Home Office or the embassy in your country to let them know that this is what has happened. In the meantime, what you also want to do is to apply for a new passport. Okay, so a new visa will be issued to you, and it will need to be issued onto a new passport. So you want to make sure that you've applied for a new passport, you have a new passport with you. Okay, so report it to the home office or the embassy in your country. So once that's done, once you've reported it and you've contacted the UK Home Office or your embassy, then what you want to do is to apply for a replacement visa online. Okay, so you go to the government.gov.uk website and apply for a replacement. Okay, and a replacement will be sent to you. Remember, once you've reported your visa as lost or stolen, that visa will be cancelled. Okay, and a replacement will be sent to you. So all you need to do is wait, and then a replacement will be sent to you. There's a cost for the replacement visa. Okay, that's something you should be aware of, and I've done videos about replacing your visa if your passport is expired and all of that, which I'll link up here for you. If your passport is lost and stolen, it's almost the same process, so you want to make sure that you report it and then make sure that you apply for a replacement, and the replacement will be sent to you. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. It's a quick and short one. If it has helped you, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.